What are the 5 qualities that you need to look in a man? If you see these qualities in a guy, let me tell you right now, he is a really good man. Because I know you're scared. You have been in a relationship with narcissists. You have been in a relationship with men that does not care about your feelings. They only come for the sex. And then they just disappear. All of those experiences will create a lack of self-confidence. I have coached an amazing woman from California, and she told me, Alex, why is a man ghosting me? Am I the issue? Of course you're not. But the problem is if you always pick the wrong guy, if you always pick a guy that is not someone you can trust. And that would be my first quality. So I am spawning it. You want to look as a man or for a man that is trustworthy. Okay? This is so important because men, they understood. They understood that they can bullshit you with words. So the first thing first is to find a guy that will be able to reassure you. He will have actions. He will introduce you to his friends. He will be consistent. He won't hide you. This person that is trustworthy, that is reassure you, it's the quality number 1. And I want you to tell me in the chat, what are the qualities that you're looking in a man, or in the comments, sorry, just below. Because the reason why I'm asking those questions is that it is very important for us to regain the control, to regain our love life. So quality number 1, he needs to be trustworthy. I hate when I see a man that is not introducing anything about his life. And so you're always in the dark. Like, what does he want? Who is he? Does he have friends? Does he talk about me? This is not reassuring you. We don't want that. Okay? Sign number 2 or quality number 2. I love a man that will take initiatives. But in the meantime, I hate the love bombing. So, we want a man that will take initiative, but he won't try to impress you too much. Yes, he will try to please you. He wants to show you that you're very important. He wants to show you that he loves your energy, but he won't try to love bomb you. He won't try to impress you to a level where it's becoming too much. It's too good to be true, too perfect. So the quality that I'm looking in a man, when I coach you, I will ask you this question. Is he sending you text message? Is he calling you? Is he trying to meet you? If you say yes, he's calling me every day, morning and night, too much, no good, red flags. Yes, he would call me 2 or 3 times a week. He would send me text. He would respect when I don't respond fast. And there is no arguments. The conversation is very fluid. Amazing. Good quality. Quality number 2, he needs to take initiatives. Let's move to the quality number 3, which is for me one of the most important with quality number 5. Basically, this one can tell you, is he someone you can trust? Is he someone you can build with? Is he someone that will be by your side? And you will be able to tell yourself, he's my partner in crime. Quality number 3, is he listening and remembering what you say? Because when a guy is really into a woman, he will try to remember everything she says about the food that you like, the best holidays, the activities that you want to do, the TV show that you are into, the singer that you love. He will remember everything and he will try to make it special. Sometimes it can be seen as the love bombing, but to be honest, no. Love bombing, they do what they want. They are not connecting to you. Now, if you go to his place, you see some sushi and he knows it's your favorite meal and he doesn't really like it. You see some sushi on the table and the background music is this Michael Jackson or whatever singer that you love. You know that this guy put a lot of efforts. He's not trying to impress you, but he's remembering. That's quality number 3. And for me as your coach, I'm like, oh, I love this one. I love this one. This is very important to make sure that you can trust him along the line. This will lead to quality number 4. This is very special as well. So I'm trying to not give you the sign that everyone will tell you. Like those are the signs that people that are not coaching, influencer, YouTuber, they will tell you those signs. No, here we talk about psychology. Sign number 4. If this guy understands and respond to your love language. If you can have those type of conversation, or if you feel that he understood your love language without talking about it, that's someone that knows. He knows personal development. He knows psychology. It's not that he's using it against you. It's actually a good sign. So my question is, hey, do you think that he knows your love language? Do you think that he responds to your love language? Because that will be very important for the next step. And of course, sign number 5, which is for me the one like, okay, I ask you this question when I have you on coaching. So if you don't know who I am, I'm a real coach, okay? I spend my life on Zoom, on the phone, meeting you in person. And so I just look at every single coaching and I understand male psychology. What you want to do right now is to hit the like button, subscribe. You want to join the community and get all the videos. Sign number 5 or quality number 5 is this guy putting a smile on your face. I've coached so many women who came to me, Alex is the man of my life. Okay, are you smiling? No, I'm stressed. I'm scared to lose him. He doesn't respond. I don't know if he's not talking to someone else. So he cannot be the man of your life. That's it. Very simple. Easy putting a smile on your face. And I wrote, and not only half of the time. It's all the time. All the time we want to be smiling. All the time we want to be confident. All the time we want to be secure. That's how you know. It's not some of the time. It's all the time. That's how we know. This is a good man. He has a lot of good qualities. He's someone that I can trust. He's someone that I feel we can build something. And once again, I'm doing all of those videos because I want you to look at the signs. I want you to know that this guy is someone you can not always believe like blindsided in a way, meaning like, okay, I close my eyes and I will trust him 100%. No, never, even if it's your husband. We want to always be clear, eyes open, but we want to be happy to see one of those 5 qualities. Let me repeat them. Number 1, he knows how to reassure you. He's basically someone trustworthy. Number 2, he takes initiatives. Number 3, he listens and remembers. Ooh, we love this one. Number 4, it's someone that will understand your love language. Number 5, he will put a smile on your face. That's the only one thing we want. If you are in a relationship where you're stressed more than half of the time, or even more than 10% of the time, it's not someone for you. And I'm sorry to tell you this way. So please leave a comment right below. Tell me what you think of those 5 signs. What are the signs that are very important for you? Remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you want to go further. Just if you tell yourself, okay, this guy has a strong French accent, but what he says makes sense. You want to go further. You want to become the challenge. You want to be the prize. You want to be on the pedestal. You want to learn how to make him value you. This is my philosophy. That's why I'm the best at. I have attached some links that are gift for free in the description box below. Now, if you're really motivated, you can book the private coaching as well in the description. That's where it's one-on-one. You and me in this journey. Okay? So I will see you very soon. Links are in the description. Remember, if you see one of those signs, it's amazing. If not, you need to be okay with making decisions and being distant. Okay, ladies? I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.